CRAP method is a memorable acronym that stands for currency, relevancy, authority, accuracy, and purpose. So, is your research CRAP? The first C stands for currency. This is the timeliness of the information. When was the information published, or when was it posted? Does it need to be the most current information? The second criteria in the CRAP test is relevance. Is the information that you pulled up relevant to your topic? A lot of times you'll just be able to read the abstract. You may have to scan the whole article. Look for who appears to be the intended audience. The first A in the CRAP analysis is authority. Who wrote this, and why should I believe this person? Take a look at the author's credentials, their organization affiliation. What are their qualifications? The second A in the CRAP analysis stands for accuracy. It's the reliability, the truthfulness, and the correctness of the content. Where does the information come from? Can you look at the article? Can you verify that the information is from another source? So finally, the P in the CRAP analysis stands for purpose, the reason the information exists. Is it to inform, to teach, to entertain, to sell? Is it fact or opinion or even propaganda? These are all things that you need to consider when you're determining the purpose of the piece. Ultimately, great sources equal great papers. And the CRAP acronym is a memorable way to evaluate your sources to determine whether or not they're appropriate for your paper. To learn more about evaluating your sources, visit the University Library website. And good luck with your research.